control.
Welcome to the NRF Grey May Meet the Researchers presentation. This is the second in a series of Being the Researchers, with today's focus on NRF-funded research students.
Hello. My name's Kaitlin Scheer. I'm here at the Centre for Cancer Biology. This is my lab bench. And I'm fortunate enough to be working here with an amazing group of people looking at, I guess, how we can improve treatments for people with brain cancer. Glioblastoma is a really aggressive brain cancer and each tumour is unique. People with these tumours respond variably to second-line therapies, and we want to understand more about why that happens. And the idea of this is to enable us to better predict who's going to respond well to a particular drug and create some kind of guide perhaps for how we can match patient to treatment more effectively that will benefit them the most. I'm a relatively new researcher in the brain cancer space, and the scholarship from the NRF is actually enabling me to grow into this space, I suppose. It's given me the opportunity to learn new skills. We are particularly grateful to patients as well who donate their tissues to research, so we are able to use those in our research. This is where I like to ponder while my experiments are running, I guess, the future of brain cancer research and the part that I might get to play in that. It would be an absolute dream come true if I could make any noticeable impact to patients.
There's two of them down there.
Hello, I'm Erica Yeo and I'm a PhD candidate at the Centre for Cancer Biology. Our research focuses on the most aggressive form of brain cancer known as glioblastoma. Currently, there's no effective treatment for this type of brain cancer and the patient outcome remains poor. We aim to develop a new approach for treating brain cancer by genetically enhancing patients' own immune cells to fight their cancer. This treatment approach has shown remarkable success in treating certain types of leukemia, and we hope to translate this success for patients with brain cancer. Thanks to the NRF and the Strong Enough to Live campaign, I received the Chris Adams Uni Essay Research Grant in 2021. This funding allows me to share our exciting results with our collaborators in Brisbane and also to present our work at an international conference at the end of the year. So for my project, I'm trying to develop this model where we use patients' tumour out from surgery and we try to grow them as a little mini tumours in the lab, and we try to treat these mini tumours in a way to simulate what might happen if we give this treatment to patients. And hopefully this model will give us a faster result, and we can direct this information to clinicians, and that might possibly in the future help direct their treatment approach for the patients. So I started to become interested in brain tumour research because of my grandmother, who also had brain cancer, and in that year I happened to come across this project looking at treatment approach for brain cancer. So I started going through a vacation research scholarship, and I ended up working in the same lab through that and into my honours, and now in my PhD still working on brain tumour and just hoping to find any new treatments that can help these patients.
My name is Kerry. My husband Richard died of a brain tumour in 2015. He was actively involved in a trial for glioblastoma. This gave him hope for the future, not only for himself but others yet to be diagnosed. Research is the key to find a cure for brain cancer. That's why I'm so proud to be involved with the NRF, fundraising with the help of family and friends to raise funds for the Richard Buttery NRF Glioblastoma Vacation Scholarship.
Hello, my name is Erica McGiffert and I am studying health and medical science at Adelaide Uni. Over this summer I undertook a vacation scholarship here at the Centre for Cancer Biology. Throughout my degree I really enjoyed cell culturing, and then this third year I'm undertaking my research placement here, which is really really made me excited for the future and what I can do postgraduate research. I hadn't had any lab-based research or experience through my degree, and then it really opened my eyes and it's really made me want to do more further study, and even when I finished my degree in the field. So I learned all about culturing cells and looked at the colonies, how they form, how they grow, different sorts of cell lines. And then I was a part of looking at drug studies to see the different effects of different drugs, treatments, those sorts of things, as well as immunofluorescence, so looking at different sorts of cells and what they look like at different stages. I would like to thank Kerry Buttery and the Buttery family for raising the funds for my 6-week scholarship here, which was the Richard Buttery Vacation Scholarship. I learned therapeutic techniques, molecular therapeutic techniques. I learned how to culture brain tumour cells from patients and cell lines here at the Centre for Cancer Biology. I really enjoyed my time here, and I will be now coming back to do my third year research placement, which I'm really excited to do, and it's looking into new therapies for glioblastoma treatments. So I'll be hopefully looking at multiple different drugs, which will be able to do a drug study and see the effects of those drugs and then the effects of the drugs combined. The scholarship really changed my career plans and direction that I was going in. It's really made me excited to work in the field and work in a lab and be a part of, the research community.